Your organization operates branches in Chicago and Seattle. The Chicago branch houses an internal legacy system named AppAlpha. You utilize an Azure tenant associated with a North American region. You intend to control user access from the Seattle branch to AppAlpha by implementing Microsoft Entra Private Access. The rollout involves establishing an ExpressRoute link from Chicago to the nearest peering point, creating VNetBeta in the central US region, and installing an application proxy connector onto VNetBeta.
You need to configure the network architecture to maximize fault tolerance, reduce latency, and keep management overhead and expenses low. Which components should you select? Option A, a connector assigned to the standard connector group alongside a connector in a newly created group. Option B, two connectors assigned to the standard connector group. Option C, two newly created connector groups, each containing a single connector.
Option D, ExpressRoute utilizing Microsoft peering. Option E, ExpressRoute utilizing Microsoft peering combined with the premium add-on. Option F, ExpressRoute utilizing private peering. I believe the correct answers are Option B, deploying two connectors assigned to the standard connector group, and Option F, using ExpressRoute utilizing private peering. To maximize redundancy and ensure high availability for Microsoft Entra Private Access and application proxy deployments, you should deploy at least two connectors within the default connector group. This setup allows for automatic load balancing and seamless failover. To connect the Azure Virtual Network securely and with minimal latency to the on-premises data center hosting the legacy app, you must use an ExpressRoute circuit configured with private peering to bridge the cloud resources to the private corporate network. Other options, such as Microsoft peering, are designed for Microsoft 365 or public Azure services, rather than connecting virtual networks to private on-premises subnets. Explain which answer is correct and why. Clear, professional, educational. Creating multiple connector groups would increase administrative complexity unnecessarily without providing extra benefits for this specific architectural requirement. Keep in mind for the exam that default connector groups paired with private peering offer the most streamlined and fault-tolerant hybrid connectivity.